Hi everyone, today we will replace this switch which was turned on manually to control the bell. We'll replace it with a timer. This is the timer, the one on the left incoming and then outcoming. So during the day we installed this one which was not perfect for the timer. So we have a breaker and then the timer requiring a special DIN rail, this one. So we bought this one for the DIN rail in the breaker. Unfortunately the breaker didn't fit inside this one, so we installed the breaker in the DB. So it's a hanger DIN rail. So we leveled the box to look professional and then drill holes, insert wall plugs, tightens the screws, and then installed the hanger, data log, then we programmed. So this one is not like the gyser timer, so it has many programs, up to 40 programs that you can program. It has got the days, timer on, timer off, cycling, and the PLC. So we'll be using a PLC since this one is a school bell. We'll be using a PLC whereby it just rings for a few seconds. This is where we got the neutral wire since it was a switch, so we have to search for it. So now we are programming. First program has been done, which complete the circuit at 7:30 for Monday up to Friday. Saturday it was a no, and also for Sunday it was a no. Then you tick okay. Program 2 is okay. So now program 3. We are left with 8 programs. For program 3 is not on, but it's a PLC as well, whereby it rings, complete the circuit, and then cut it off. It's for channel 1. This one I think will be at 7:45. Since it was assembly time at 07:30, and then classes begins at 07:45 minutes. 07:45, you press OK, and then for how many seconds will the PLC ring? It can ring up to 1 minute, but let us program 10 seconds. Even though the client complained about 10 seconds later, he said it rang for a long time. So PLC for Monday up to Friday at 7:45. Saturday it's a no, Sunday it's a no. You press OK when you're done. Program number 4. We are left with how many programs? 37. Okay. Programming a PLC. I think now it's 08:25 since each period is 40 minutes. Please don't forget to like, feel free to comment. Thank you.